This is Colton with Hummingbird Drones, and today I'm going to show you how to upload logs off of your T40 drone. We're going to start on the main page of the DJI Agras app on your controller. You're going to select the Documents button along the top, and in here you'll see a few different options for uploading logs. Normally we're going to stick to general issues. And in here you will see past logs from the time the drone was on to the time it was powered off. Each one of those is one log. So now we're going to select normally 3 to upload, but for example, I'm just going to do 1. Then you're going to select Upload Log or Save to Local. The benefit of Save to Local is if you're in the field, you can save that log to the controller without the need for internet, and then when you're at home or on Wi-Fi, you can upload that to the cloud. So when you select Upload Log, it'll process data and upload it. Now that the log is uploaded, you're going to snap a picture of this QR code with your phone, and you're going to send that over to us here at Hummingbird Drones, and we'll get that processed for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.